Keeping your assets running with the minimum amount of maintenance to avoid failure has never been easier. Introducing Reliability Strategies, a new reliability-centered maintenance add-on available with IBM Maximo Application Suite 8.11. Reliability Strategies contains a library of asset-specific, reliability-centered failure mitigation and maintenance optimization strategies, all developed by industry and domain experts at research institutes and other companies. You can use the details and activities to build more effective preventive maintenance and job plans. On the Failure Modes tab, review the failure details for that asset, including the what, how, and why of each failure. On the Mitigation Activities tab, define an operating context and then review recommended activities to mitigate failures in that context. To determine which activities are the best fit for the asset, review the activity effectiveness, or the likelihood of an activity finding or preventing the problem before a failure occurs. When you're ready, copy the preventive maintenance or job plan details, paste them into your PM or job plan descriptions, and start transforming how you maintain assets. To see how IBM Maximo Application Suite can transform your business operations, schedule a demo.